Welcome to our video on the top 10 GK questions on India's press history that you should know. Are you ready to test your knowledge on the evolution of the press in India? Let's dive in. Question number 1. When was the first newspaper published in India? A. 1702. B. 1780. C. 1818. D. 1850. The correct answer is option C. 1818. Explanation. The first newspaper in India, called the Bengal Gazette or Calcutta General Advertiser, was published by James Augustus Hickey in 1780. However, it was shut down within 2 years by the British government. The first successful and long-lasting newspaper in India was the Bengal Gazette, published by Gangadhar Bhattacharya in 1818. This newspaper played a significant role in shaping the Indian print media landscape during the colonial era. Question number 2. Who is known as the father of Indian journalism? A. Raja Ram Mohan Roy. B. James Augustus Hickey. C. Bal Gangadhar Tilak. D. Mahatma Gandhi. The correct answer is option B. James Augustus Hickey. Explanation. James Augustus Hickey is referred to as the father of Indian journalism because he founded and published the first newspaper in India, Hickey's Bengal Gazette, or the original Calcutta General Advertiser, in 1780. This newspaper marked the beginning of the Indian press, playing a pivotal role in the development of journalism in India. Despite facing significant challenges, including opposition from the British colonial government, Hickey's efforts laid the foundation for a free press in India. Question number 3. Who is considered the father of Indian journalism? A. Mahatma Gandhi. B. Bal Gangadhar Tilak. C. Raja Ram Mohan Roy. D. Jawaharlal Nehru. The correct answer is option C. Raja Ram Mohan Roy. Explanation. The father of Indian journalism is often attributed to Raja Ram Mohan Roy. He founded the first Indian newspaper, Miratilakpar, in 1822, advocating for social reforms, education, and political awareness. His contributions laid the foundation for the development of journalism in India, making him a pivotal figure in its history. Question number 4. Which was the first Indian language newspaper to be published in India? A. Samachar Darpan. B. Bengal Gazette. C. Kesari. D. Doordarshan. The correct answer is option A. Samachar Darpan. Explanation. Samachar Darpan, a Bengali weekly newspaper, was published by the Baptist Missionary Society in the early 19th century and is considered the first Indian language newspaper, published on 23 May 1818. Question number 5. In which year was the Press Act passed by the British government to control the Indian press? A. 1857. Born in 1878. Circa 1908. D. 1875. The correct answer is option born in 1878. Explanation. The Vernacular Press Act, 1878, was a British policy in British India aimed at controlling the Indian press and preventing criticism of British policies, particularly during the Second Anglo-Afghan War. The act was proposed by Viceroy Lytton and passed unanimously by the Viceroy's Council on 14 March 1878. It excluded English-language publications and aimed to control seditious writing in Oriental languages, except for the South. This act effectively discriminated against the non-English language Indian press, resulting in increased public unhappiness and unrest. Question number 6. Who was the first female editor of an Indian newspaper? A. Rani Lakshmibai. B. Cornelia Sorabji. C. Annie Besant. D. Deena Vakil. The correct answer is option B, Cornelia Sorabji. Explanation. The first female editor of an Indian newspaper was Cornelia Sorabji. She became the editor of a weekly English newspaper called Indian Ladies Magazine in 1888. Sorabji was a pioneer in many respects, not only as a female editor but also as one of the first Indian women to study law in Britain and to practice law in both Britain and India. Question number 7. Which newspaper played a significant role in India's freedom struggle? A. The New York Times. B. The Times of India. C. The Hindu. D. The Indian Opinion. The correct answer is option D. The Indian Opinion. Explanation. The Indian Opinion was a significant newspaper in the context of India's freedom struggle. It was established by Mahatma Gandhi in 1903 in South Africa. Although it was initially aimed at addressing the plight of Indians in South Africa, it later became a vital tool for spreading Gandhi's ideas of nonviolence and civil disobedience. The newspaper played a crucial role in mobilizing support and communicating the struggles and aspirations of the Indian community, both in South Africa and India. This platform was instrumental in shaping the discourse around Indian independence and the rights of Indians under British rule. Question number 8. Which famous Indian leader started the newspapers Young India and Harijan? A. Jawaharlal Nehru. B. Mahatma Gandhi. C. Subhas Chandra Bose. D. Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. The correct answer is option B, Mahatma Gandhi. Explanation. Mahatma Gandhi, a prominent leader in the Indian independence movement, started the newspapers Young India and Harijan. Young India was a weekly paper that Gandhi used to spread his ideas on Indian self-rule, Swaraj, and social reforms. He wrote extensively on non-violence, civil disobedience, and the fight against British colonial rule. Harijan, launched in 1933, was focused on the upliftment of the oppressed classes, particularly the Dalits, who were often referred to as Harijans, children of God, by Gandhi. Through these publications, Gandhi communicated his philosophies and mobilized support for the Indian independence movement and social reforms. Question number 9. When was the Press Council of India established? A. 1956. B. 1966. C. 1978. D. 1982. The correct answer is option B. 1966. Explanation. The Press Council of India was established on 4th July 1966. It was set up to preserve the freedom of the press and to maintain and improve the standards of newspapers and news agencies in India. The Council acts as a self-regulatory watchdog for the print media, ensuring ethical journalism practices. Question number 10. Which British Governor-General is known for his efforts to suppress the Indian press? A. Lord Curzon. B. Lord Wellesley. C. Lord Dalhousie. D. Lord Metcalfe. The correct answer is option B. Lord Wellesley. Explanation. Lord Wellesley, who served as Governor-General of India from 1798 to 1805, is known for his stringent measures to control and suppress the press in India. He issued regulations to curb the freedom of the press, primarily to prevent the publication of material that could incite rebellion or criticize the British administration. These regulations marked the beginning of systematic press censorship in British India. His actions were driven by the fear that unchecked press freedom could threaten British rule in India. That's it for our GK quiz on India's press history. How did you do? Let us know in the comments below. Thanks for watching and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more quizzes and trivia.